what is up, guys? Welcome back to Race Car Network. If you're new to this channel, please smash that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Today we're going to be putting on my new grill on the car. As you can see by the thumbnail, obviously. I do have my tires coming, or my wheels and rims coming in this week as well, so that's going to be freaking sick. If you guys enjoy this content, please smash that sub button like I said, and let's get on with the video. Give y'all a little cold start. It sounds so much different than when it wasn't full bolt on. Those downpipes make so much of a difference. I'm also gonna be throwing a burble tune on for you guys tomorrow. Obviously not leaving it on. I'm not a fan of burble tunes, but it's gonna be sick to just have it on the car, just to shoot a cool video for you guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just want to give you a shot of the car beforehand, before the grills get installed. Alright, so what we're going to be installing today is obviously we're going to be removing these chrome, I think they're ugly as hell, replacing them with the black grill. Now, there is another like M4 grill that you can put on these things, and I might do that, but I just kind of wanted to leave it 335-ish look. I'm not a fan of really changing up the car too much. A lot of people like to, but I might just leave it. Now, I do like the look of those M4 ones, so maybe I'll buy them in the future. But yeah, for right now, I'm just installing these black ones. And look at that damn intercooler. Yes, sir. If you know, you know. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a T27 Allen wrench, and then there's gonna be 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 that you're gonna have to take out. So I'm gonna start taking these out, and we'll get right back to you guys. Alright guys, so all you're gonna have to do is you're just gonna have to once I take these bolts out, this bumper comes kind of freely. And then all you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take your flathead screwdriver like this, and the original one comes with the same setup, so these things actually hook onto the frame in here, and you're gonna just have to push them down like that to get these locks to come undone. Well, there's that. Now you gotta get these bottom ones out. That. And these bottom ones, you're gonna have to use your finger and just push up these little tabs right here, and it'll come right out like that.
Nice job. Nice job, pal.
And then with these, all you're gonna have to do is just pop them in. So all you're gonna have to do is just line it up and just pop it in like that, and there you go. Let me get out the light. Looks way better. Alright guys, so here's the look of the grill. It looks way the fuck better. I mean, way better. So what you're gonna have to do on that final step is you're just gonna have to screw these bolts back in. That's what I wanted to get on here. So I wasn't, just put these bolts in right here, here, and then you're done. See, there's the old grills, there's the new ones. Alright, so here's the finished product. As you can tell, the grill looks so much better. I'll put a before picture on here too, but way nicer. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Tomorrow we're going to be putting a burble tune on this car, so it's going to be doing backfire like crazy. Me personally, I'm not a fan of it. I'm just doing it because it's kind of dope. Like, I'm not going to drive around with a burble tune on. I'm more of a guy that likes speed, so and if I want to be annoying, I can be annoying in the Camaro, so why do it on this car too? So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please smash that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. Tomorrow the Burble tune's coming, so peace.